Here is our spicy video for our fourth topic of Unit 10, which is all about circle graphs. We will be in this lower right-hand corner of your note sheet where it says circle graphs. There are 3 examples. They're going to be a little hard to write down, but you'll want to jot down some of the information on how to figure out these questions. If you didn't watch the medium video, the circle graph is a graph that shows portions of data that fall into that category. So you'll be getting fractions of the whole set of data that falls into that section, or you will be getting percents of 100% of the data. One of the question types you'll see is you'll be given a circle graph and you'll be asked to figure out which table goes with that. So here, I noticed that the original chunk is the largest. I don't really have any numbers to go with that, so I have to look at the tables that they give me over here and determine which one looks like it would sync up best with that. So the original is the biggest, so if I look at the original, I got 48. So in this first table, 48 is the biggest, so that's a good start. On the bottom one, original is 32 and powdered is 48, so that probably would not be the best choice there. So of the 2, it would be this one. But before I go ahead and move on to the next one, I'm just going to double check the other numbers just to make sure. So it looks like powdered is the next biggest, which fits our table. Jelly looks a little bit bigger than cinnamon sugar, which matches our table as well. So I'm going to go with this top table as our answer. Another question type you'll see in these CYUs is you'll be given a certain number of people and you'll be asked to compare it to another portion of that data. So in this case, we have 200 people surveyed on which pepperoni topping or pizza topping is their favorite. Pepperoni is going to be matched up against sausage. So pepperoni is 50%. So I need 50% of 200. Which I happen to know is 100 people like pepperoni. Sausage is this orange one, which is 15%, so 15% of 200. I know 10% is 20, which and half of that is 10, so that gives me 30 people are sausage fans. And it asks how many more people. So I'm going to subtract those. 100 minus 30, which is 70. So 70 more people. And 70 more people like pepperoni than sausage. Another type of question you'll see is you'll be given the table and you're going to figure out which of the circle graphs go with it. So here's our table. Here's the circle graphs. Now, looking at the table, it looks like Snickers should be our largest portion. So of the graphs that have Snickers as the largest portion, there's only one. It's this one right here. So this should be my answer, but I just want to double check all the other ones just to make sure. So Laffy Taffy is our smallest, which doesn't work for this one. So I'm going to go ahead and cross each of those off. It is the smallest on this one. And the smallest on this one. Looks like Suckers and Twizzlers should be the same size. Suckers and Twizzlers, same size. Suckers, not the same size as Twizzlers here, so we can go ahead and cross that off. This bottom one right there that I've circled is our answer. Now, you're going to go to quizzes for this CYU set. The link, of course, is on Schoology. That'll take you right there. And you should get 80% before you show me to get it checked off.